Welcome to Lord's Health Kiosk marketed by Breathweight. This health kiosk is a portable walk-in clinic which measures more than 50 health parameters such as hemoglobin, ECG, body fat, lipid, sugar, etc. This health kiosk has some standout features like it runs without electricity or internet because it has 8 hours battery backup. Second, it generates instant report with digital record. Third, it has data analytics dashboard for impact analysis. And fourth, it can be operated by a layman which will generate ample of employment. Let's see how the machine works. It starts with user registration. Enter patient's mobile number. Click on login. So once you log in, the software validates whether this is an existing user or a new user. If this is an existing user, the information comes pre-filled. As here you can see, it has come pre-filled. Or else you have to insert your name, your email address, your date of birth and your gender. After that, click on submit. So on the home screen, you can see there are different tests which can be performed like health checkup, ECG, advanced test which covers HbA1c and lipid, rapid test which covers typhoid, dengue, malaria, etc. So let's start with health checkup. So the first test is to get the body temperature. To perform this test, you have to point the temperature gun on your forehead and click on get temperature. As you can see, the temperature gets automatically displayed on the screen. Click on next. In the next test, you get your oxygen saturation. So to perform this test, place your finger on the oximeter and click on get value. So within 30 seconds, the value gets displayed. The next test is to measure height. To measure height, we have ultrasonic sensors at the top which measures your height. So you have to stand straight and click on get height. So your height gets displayed. Next is to measure body composition. So to perform this test, the person has to remove his shoes and socks and stand barefoot on the weighing scale. Enabled with dual frequency BI technology, it sends electrical impedance in the body to measure more than 15 parameters such as skeletal muscle, muscle mass, body fat, BMR, etc. Next test is to measure blood pressure. To perform this test, the patient has to wear the handcuff on his left arm. Rest the arm on the machine, press start and wait for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, as you can see, the data gets automatically displayed on the screen. Next, we test the vision of the patient. For this, we have used internationally accepted Snellen chart. So here, the patient has to stand 6 meters away from the machine and read the alphabets on the screen. So he has to read from the left eye first and then the right eye. And based on the size of the alphabet, he can read. The machine tells whether his vision is 6 on 9, 6 on 6 or 6 on 12. Next, we measure glucose of the patient. For this, we have to connect his device to the machine. So once the device gets connected, press start test, remove the strip and insert it into the machine. So once we insert the strip, we have to prick the patient. So to prick the patient, we first clean his finger with this alcoholic swab. So then we use this use and throw lens set which cannot be reused. So once the patient is pricked, we have to apply the blood on the strip. Within 5 seconds, the data gets displayed on the screen. Next, we measure the hemoglobin of the patient. For that, we have to connect this device to the machine. For that, we have to click on connect. Then, we have to open the tray. Once you open the tray, the machine starts to calibrate. Once the calibration is done, take a strip and with the existing pricked finger, take some blood sample on the strip, insert the strip in the device, close it, and within 24 seconds the result gets displayed on the screen. So finally the patient comes to the result page. Here all the results are displayed. The system automatically calculates all the results along with the standard range. This report is received by the patient through email or SMS. Also, the patient can print the report here itself. So this is my report. So once the basic health checkup is done, the patient comes on the home screen. Here he can perform other tests like ECG, lipid, dengue, malaria, typhoid. So let me show you how ECG test is performed. So for that, click on ECG. So this is the device which connects to the system through Bluetooth. Click on start, connect. So now the device is connected to the system through Bluetooth. In this machine we can perform two types of ECG tests, 12 lead and 3 lead. Currently we are performing 3 lead ECG. So here we have to put 2 clips on the hand, 2 clips on the leg, and within 10 seconds the result gets displayed on the screen. After ECG, the patient can also perform some advanced tests like HbA1c, which takes approximately 5 minutes, then lipid test, which takes approximately 2 minutes. Then he can also perform few rapid tests like malaria, HIV, COVID, dengue, etc. So once all the tests are done, in the reports, he can see his past reports. Also, he can see the reports in graphical view. These were some of the basic features which we have shown. Thank you for watching the video.